Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction about HTML forms. And forms are used to get information from the users. An HTML form contains one or more fields and a submit button. Usually an HTML form contains one or more fields and a submit button. Okay. When user enters information in the fields and clicks on submit button, the information is sent to the server. Alright. So I have one example of a form here. This is our form. Here we have name text box, comments text area, and sex radio buttons and check boxes. Okay. And drop down list and submit and a reset button. Okay, this is our form. This is our example form. Alright, and one other fine example of a form is our search engine. When user types a keyword in the box and clicks search button, the search engine will search the keyword. Okay, the search engine programs which run on the server searches the entered keyword and displays the results. Okay, so the syntax for form is very simple. You just write form, okay, and you close form. That's it. Form tag is used to create HTML form. Okay, this form tag is used to create HTML form. Okay, an HTML form usually contains input. I'll just delete these spaces here. An HTML form usually contains input, okay, text area and select elements. Okay, these are three elements that an HTML form usually contains: input, text area and select. Okay, and input is used to create text boxes. Alright, input is used to create text boxes, check boxes, radio buttons. Alright, submit and reset buttons. Okay, whereas text area is used to create text box, but this text box is a special one which allows multiple rows of data to be shown. Okay, let's just write text area here, and select is used to create drop down list. Okay, drop down list. So that the user can select list of items. Okay, and you will learn how to create these above mentioned fields in the next videos. Okay, but right now I'll give you an example, just a simple one. This name is a text box. Okay, we enter some text here. Okay, and this is our text area. This is same as text box, except it allows multiple rows of data to be shown. Okay, multiple rows of data to be entered. We can enter multiple lines here. It's like that. Okay, and this sex, male and female, are radio buttons. Okay, we can select either one. Okay, we cannot select both in radio buttons. Alright, and these are check boxes: grapes, oranges, apples. these are check boxes. You can select a minimum of 1. You can select 1, 2 or 3. Okay. And this favorite films is a drop down box. Okay. You can select 1. Okay. There are some special select boxes where you can select multiple options. Okay, but this is just an example, so I'm showing you a simple select box, and these are submit and reset buttons. Okay, so an HTML form usually contains these elements. Okay, and all these elements are created using 3 things: input, text area and select. Okay, input, text area and select. And input is used to create text boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, submit and reset buttons, whereas text area is used to create text area and select is used to create drop down lists. Alright, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.